This is a soft wheel that rounds edges, okay? It sharpens, it removes metal, but it removes in a way that rounds the edges. And if you look at this, okay, this is what I've got going, and this is why I know somebody's getting neglectful, okay? They're rounding these edges to where it's not sharp. Look at the bevel, okay? Look at how rounded that bevel is. Now look, and look how shiny. Okay, they were just done. So this is what I'm uptight about. They've just been done. The hospital is complaining because they're not cutting, they're not holding. Look how blunt that is. Oh.
Hitching a ride back to where I'm from, catching secondhand smoke or a Greyhound bus. Pretty or not, baby, here I come. I had high hopes, it was all downhill. Life flying by like I was standing still. I'm a little nobody from the middle of nowhere. Gotta get home, I know I will, 'cause I'm missing that southern comfort. Deep water, I'm going under. Counting down, my days are numbered. Give me that southern comfort. Left my soul in the knickerjack. God willing, I'll find my way back. Counting down, my days are numbered. Give me that southern comfort. Give me that southern comfort. Blue jeans, leaning on a hot car. Broke every string on my old guitar. I got 99 miles as the crow flies. Headed east along the ridge line. Kudzu, weighing down